What's up, beautiful people? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good midnight, good whatever it is, wherever you are on it. It's your boy again this evening, David, live from my FX studio. Please, people, before we proceed, please, I want to talk about Great Britain pound, Japanese yen. I've even forgot that I analyzed this market, and it's been like I think I did this on last week Monday. Yeah, that was last week Monday that I did this. That I analyzed and I said it that should the market break out minimum that it should maximum that it should break out up to this extent, and I set a buy stop here in this very place. You understand? But the market didn't get to that point. I told you guys, should you watch the past video on Great Britain pound, Japanese yen, you see that I told you guys that the market would definitely come down and to pick the pace and start going up back, which it did exactly as I said. So no, sorry, it did exactly as me and my team said anyway, so I'm sorry about that. So what is there right now is that Great Britain pound, Japanese yen, should you look at it, should you look at this, look at this arrow. I said it's going up. That should it break down, I told you last week that I am in the market already. I said it. Should you check my video in the past, you see that I said it, that I'm in the market already, that I'm trying to show some, trying to I told you that I'm in the market already, but I'll set another buy stop in this place, you understand, which I did. You get it? So it didn't get to this point, but I'm in the market and it's still going to my profit point. You get it? Should you look at these arrows, you see that it's going up. Should you look at it like this again, you see that it's doing exactly what I said, because I said that should it come like this, it will come down this minimum, then it will reverse back up. You understand? And I still drew it here that should it come down in this place, it's going to bounce in this very place and it will go up. You understand? So how I analyzed the market is following that pattern, and I drew an early breakout. I drew an early breakout arrow in this place that the market is going to go to this direction, which is doing exactly as we said. You get it? So right now, just like we analyzed, just like we lately analyzed, it's going to the direction that we said. Japanese yen is trying to pick the pace, show the market that Japanese yen is in charge of the market. Please, people, before we proceed, please, I really love it if you could like, share, subscribe, click the notification button on all of my social media pages, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat. I really appreciate it. I really say thank you to this. You understand? I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart that I see people that are contributing to my own trading, to our trading institution, just like I said. So people, please, let's proceed with what we've been doing. So like I was saying, I told you that this market is an all the way up market. You can see it here right now. The Japanese yen is trying to take the market down to another level. As we speak right now, I believe that the time should be around okay, this is like 9:49. This is almost 10 o'clock. You get it? So the market is trying to shrink down. Japanese yen is trying to shrink down with the new candle that was open. But I'm telling you, this very new candle that is open is an uptrending. It's an uptrending candle. You understand? It's an uptrending candle. So should you want to trade it, you just watch it. You get it? You just do your own technical analysis. You get it? You just do your own price action analysis or whatever analysis that you do. You can use whatever rubber that you want to use. You understand? But this has been what I've been doing, what I've been trading with, and it's been working for me. You understand? So I don't have a problem with that. I don't know what you think of it, but please just let me know what you think of it. I really appreciate that. You get it? So let's just look at the market analysis, just like I've been saying. Just take a look at the market, how the market is going. You get it? What makes me really draw this, sorry people, what makes me really draw this trend line like this is because of the direction that the market follows. You understand? Because there are different kind of pattern that the market draw. So whenever a market draw a kind of a kind of pattern, whenever a market form a kind of pattern, you have to follow that pattern and show the people that, oh, this is what I believe this market is about to do. You understand? Nobody's 100% accurate, nobody's 100% perfect. You get it? But at least if you could try something that is above 75%, at least people will be like, no, hey man, you're in a very, very safer and a very good side of of trading or of whatever you do in your life. So like I was saying, let's take a look at the market as it's going. So this market is really taking charge of it's really taking control, it's really taking charge of everything. And here's what I'll say, to this place. Here's what I'll say. You just check the market, check the momentum, check the statistics, and check how the market is moving. You understand? It's a really progressive, good thing to see, how the market reacts, how the market does its thing, how the market, move. So Japanese yen USD, what really makes me and my team analyze that this market is going to this direction, and this is how it will act. You understand? Japanese yen is a very funny currency. Should you look at the statistics of Japanese yen, how it operates, Japanese yen is a very, very funny currency. You understand? It moves on a kind of a kind of funny way. You understand? Japanese yen have this kind of funny move that it does. It move a kind of like a dramatic kind of way. Should you check how it trends very, very funny. So should you not, take your time to like look at some things, you could like, jump into the wrong groove that would drain you. Should you not be careful? This is what I'm saying. So when you look at it, Japanese yen took a pace within this very top triangle edge. You understand? Japanese yen took a pace and it brought it down. It brought the market down. You understand? Brought the market down, which is a very good thing. Just like I used to say, it brought the market down. Woo. You understand? Start bringing the market down since September 2, 2020. It brought it down to it brought it down to September 22. Man, that's like 3 weeks. It brought it down for more than 3 weeks. Yeah, that's 3 weeks. Sorry, that's 3 weeks. 3 weeks and a day. You understand? I brought it down for 3 weeks and a day. You understand? So before you know what's going on, Great Britain pound pick up the pace. And Great Britain pound pick it up from September 23rd till October 9th. You understand? That was like a week, almost 2 weeks. You understand? Almost 10 business working days. September 25 till October 9. You understand? So that's almost 10 business working days. You understand? Great Britain pound was really able to like bring up the market. Okay, Japanese yen keep, there was a very, very serious trading war in this very circle. You understand? Japanese yen was still able to bring down the market. Great Britain pound was still able to pull it up and show its momentum. It's a war zone as we speak right now, but as I'm talking to you, the market is climbing up. You get it? Japanese yen is trying to like make some move here. This is Friday's candle that newly opened, so don't but in the Eastern time, North America, we know that this is Friday's candle, but it's open in Japan because Japan are in the morning as we speak. Tokyo are in the morning as we speak right now. You understand? So it's opened right now as we speak. You understand? It's coming down, but I don't see the strength of it going down. But should it come down more than this, it's still going to go up. You get it? Great Britain pound is taking charge of the pace. You get it? Might be going, it might not rush up like that, but it's an uptrend market, and I've drilled before, and exactly as I forecasted, it's doing exactly as I forecasted. I'm really happy about that. You understand? I did this, I think, like last week Monday. Just later analysis of the market climbing up. I did it last week Monday, and it's a really, 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 really good thing. You get it? So I don't know what you see to the market, but should you want to start with the market, it's on your own. Please, I really appreciate your comments, people. I really, 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 really appreciate your comment. I really appreciate what you see to the market, what you believe that the market will do, what you believe that the market will implement will really contribute positivity to my team and I. Please just let us know what it is that you see in the market. This will really make us happy. This will really mean a lot to us. You get it? So from that, another this very new candlestick, look at it like yesterday, like today in this place, you can see that this market opened, and it wasn't, the strength to like move up wasn't really there. but Japanese yen is still trying to fight the market, still trying to fight for stability. But the market, the Great Britain pound is still showing Japanese yen that, hey, you know what, I'm still the one in charge of this place. You get it? And it's a very, very good thing. It's just so goddamn fantastic. You get it? But should you not take your time to calculate this very trading statistics and strategy, and implement a kind of price action stuff, you keep you keep seeing the wrong side of the market. You understand? But this what I see here is a thing of beauty. The market is climbing up, but it might be slow, but don't lose hope. It's climbing up. You get it? When it's time for Great Britain pound, when it's time for Japanese yen to start climbing up, I'll let you to start coming down. Sorry. When it's time for Japanese yen to start coming down, I'll let you know. But right now, the market is climbing up. You understand? Japanese yen might come down a little bit here, but it will definitely reverse by the time that it will definitely reverse, and it will still keep climbing up. So this is what I see in this market. I don't know what you see in this market, but this is what I see in this market, and this is just so beautiful. You understand? This is just so beautiful. Implementing what the market is about to do. It's a really good thing, to show us what direction that the market is going, what's the next point of action that the market is about to take. It's a really good thing. It's a really good contribution and calculation to our lives. So let's just get down to business. Let's keep going on what we're doing. You get it? So let us take the pace. Let's just look at it from behind. What really makes us feel that this market is climbing up? What really gives us the confidence that the market is climbing up? There are many things that gives us the confidence. There are many candlesticks that indicate that the market is climbing up, but it might be slow, but it's climbing up. You understand? So there are many things, there are many candlesticks, there are many price action, statistics that proves here that Great Britain pound is dominating. So left to this year, I would say I'll give this trade to Great Britain pound. Okay, let's go. When did this year started? Let me see. February. Oh, sorry, December 2019. January. Wow, Japanese yen. This is January 9th. I'm counting. January 2nd, the market opened. Japanese yen open the market, and it keep going. Japanese yen shows some promising explosive in this place. This was February. Japanese yen came down till March 18. Japanese yen start kicking their ass since February 24 to March 18. Almost one straight month, man. Almost 4 weeks. Japanese yen really shows the market what's up. So to me, should I want to tell you what's happened here, I would say it's because of the pandemic. You understand? But Great Britain pound was still able to pick it up, and it was trying to climb up. But it was trying to go bullish, but Japanese yen bring it down bearish. It was trying to go bullish again. Japanese yen brought it down bearish. It was trying to go bullish, and Japanese yen keep bringing it down bearish. You understand? But this doesn't stop Great Britain pound from moving up. You understand? So it's going up. It's kind of it's going up. Great Britain pound is still trying to recover from what Japanese yen did from what the breakout that the Japanese yen take from February 24th till March 20th. You understand? So Great Britain pound is trying to recover from that, because boy oh boy, this is a big blow on Great Britain pound's face. You understand? So should I want to do a result analysis on this, which market will I give it to? Which currency will I give it to? At least I'll give it 57.43. You get it? I'll give 57% to Japanese yen, and I'll give 43% to Great Britain pound. And what makes me feel like 57.43? Should you just look at the market? You see that Great Britain pound is still trying to recover from what Japanese yen did within that February till March 20. You understand? Great Pound is still trying to recover from that, but it's getting slow, it's getting slow, it's getting slow, because the Asian transaction of Japanese yen currency was still really dominant, and Great Pound transaction currency in the Forex market, the transaction was still strong as well. You get it? But let's just keep going, let's just keep going, you get it? So it's a good thing that this market, is doing exactly what we want, what we said and all that. It's a good thing. It's really, proves some kind of, promising reaction and all that. But it's climbing up slowly. It shows some promising move. And people, this is what I want to say about this. This market is still an uptrending market, but it might be slow, please. This market is still an uptrending market. Do you know that I'm in this market as we speak since last 2 weeks, like that, like 2 weeks ago? I've been in this market, but last week I analyzed all this and I put a buy stop in this area. I'm not talking of this very broker. I'm talking of, there's a live account, please don't make a mistake. There's a live account, but I don't trade with this broker, please don't make a mistake. So I've said it since last week, and I was in the market and I put a buy stop in this place. A buy stop in this place, that should the market come to this place, should it reverse most, it will get to this point. But should it not reverse most, it will definitely get to this place maximum, and it will hit back up and it will start climbing up. It tried to get to the place, but it came down. But Japanese, Great Pound was still able to prove itself, pull it up, and Great Pound keep going all the way up, just like we said. So I'm still in the market again. So I don't have a problem. I have two different openings for the bullish, for the buy, for the buy in the market. It could have been a 3 had it been it hit this place, but at least I'm okay with the 2 that it broke out. So people, please, I'll really appreciate it if you could like, share, subscribe, click on the notification button on all of my social media pages, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat. I'll really appreciate it. So people, trade safe, trade wise, don't be greedy. God help us all, and see you in my next video. Have a good one.
Be humble. Really, no matter what you have, you can be a very powerful person, a very wealthy person, a very popular person, a very good-looking person. You can be whatever. But you need to be humble. People will love you when you're down to earth, when you are a normal human being like everyone else.